Here is how to add a PIN to your Roblox account. First of all, you need to launch your Roblox application or the website on any device that you prefer. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and then go to Settings. Now in the Settings, go to Account Info, which is the initial option in this page. Then find Login Methods, which is just below the email option. Then tap on Manage in the right, and here you'll get the option to add a passkey. Go ahead, tap on Add a Passkey, and then tap on Continue. You'll be prompted to enter a code sent to your email. Check your email and enter the code, and then click on Verify. And once verified, your password will become your fingerprint, Face ID, or screen lock. Next, click on the gear icon in the top right and select Quick Sign In option. And you'll see a screen with a code. Enter the code on another device and press Enter. You can also log in with a PIN. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.